Namaskar. In a previous video, we have seen some uses of gold other than ornaments. For Indian women, wearing gold ornaments is a great joy for them. Gold is used more in India than in any other country. Gold ornaments are definitely among them. Accordingly, we have also seen some of its health benefits. After gold, the metal that is loved in India is silver or rajat. Silver is used to make various types of jewellery. Indian women use it preferentially. Just as gold has good uses, silver has some different good uses. Especially in the case of women, along with gold, there is a method of wearing unique silver jewelry. Silver is also not just a cosmetic item. There are some scientific reasons behind it. We have seen many times that there are many reasons behind it. However, one reason is definitely related to health, and so I would like to draw your attention to this. It is not just a tradition, but there is something scientific method behind it. And that is why today we are discussing something about silver. Since silver is slightly acidic, if you keep hot milk in a pure silver vessel, it can turn into curd. The reason for this is just like we use sour curd for virgin, the same thing happens here too. Curd produced in this way is considered beneficial for health. Just as in Ayurveda, gold bhasma is made from gold and it is used in medicine. Similarly, silver is made into silver bhasma as a medicine. It is available everywhere in the market and it is used for various diseases through medicines. Many medicines containing silver bhasma have been described in Ayurveda and they are also available in the market. By wearing ornaments, even just by touching it, our body is constantly touched by it. Therefore, whatever properties it has, accordingly good effects are definitely seen on the body. Therefore, from a health point of view, this silver bhasma is used. It can also be useful for the body through jewellery. Ayurveda is available in written from 3000 years ago. This science that maintains balance with the nature is healthy. If we consider the properties of described 300 years ago, we can know how advanced the research method of the time were. Many things given in are amazing and beneficial for health. Ayurveda, which is based on Indian philosophy, has some properties of silver. In it, silver is cool, sweet and slightly acidic. It can be used for indigestion and can also help in curing long-term diseases. Along this, it is a vata pitta disorders destroys. It is strong for the body elements. It is special that it will work on the intellect. It gives strength to the bone marrow. It works on the spleen and liver. It is specially used for eye diseases. It is used for Pandu disease. So it is useful for women. It is said to be good for piles. Apart from this, it is also clearly mentioned in Ayurveda that it is also good for mental illness, especially epilepsy and unmad. Silver, which is beneficial for such health, is used in medicine by preparing bhasma. Similarly, it is consumed daily in the form of touch, form of jewellery. Therefore, its benefits are the same as gold and the pleasure that is obtained through jewellery can also be obtained in it. Compared to gold, silver is very cheap. Therefore, even poor people can use it. One thing to note that some specific silver jewellery is definitely used for women. Among them, the panjan in the foot. This is the method of wearing panjan in the foot from young girls until marriage. Apart from this, two silver ornaments like tode and kade are bare near the big one, and it should be kept in mind that both these features are near to foot, and since silver is the cure for Vata Vedi, we will find that it is used in a good way. Now let us look at some part about mentioned disorders. There is a clear mention in Ayurveda that this silver is beneficial in large quantities, especially for mental disorders. Now, looking at this, we will notice one thing, that women are called chanchala. That is, their mental tendency is more fickle in nature compared to others. Since it is feeling related to the mind, it is used to remove this fickleness. Another part of this is that if we look at this fickleness of mind along with Ayurveda, Indian philosophy, then the cause of the mind is said to be the moon. And astrology says that if the moon becomes weak, it affects the mind. When the moon is strong, it affects the mind to a lesser extent, and therefore the two silver ornaments mentioned above are used by women on a regular basis. The panjan on the foot and the toad of the toe are used on a regular basis. The reason for this is this: the moon is also given an alternative name for this silver. That is, since the relationship between silver and the moon is the same, an attempt is made to increase the strength of moon through the use of silver. This silver helps to strengthen the psychic, which is very important thing. Nowadays, the use of this amulet and the toad on the toad has decreased in small quantities. But if we think about it in this way, we will realize how necessary it is. Another element of coldness for the moon is pearl. It is often asked to wear a ring of this pearl. Due to this, the mind gets strength, which is also a part of moon, and especially when this ring is asked for wear, it is also advised to be made of silver metal. This is the reason. Apart from this, there is a method of wearing silver ornaments in the form of silver bangles and silver ornaments around the neck. One of it is certain from all these methods, that even the touch of these useful metals gives us some benefit. It is certain that they are more useful for long-term diseases. It is important to remember that this is not just a beauty accessory but also a health benefit. Thank you very much.